until you find what's really happening.
Dr. Harlow.
Waiting for players. Is it secretary? I think it's secretary. Ang tawa ng secretary. Ano? Tony Lee, wow. Take a photo. Register. Time to put my... I'm an intern right now.
But what the heck is that hair, man?
Oh my god, what is that hair?
You need a one dito. Human.
What?
You need one human. Para nanadal kay money.
One human?
Kuya, dito bitaw. Dami sila naman tigkuan. Wala sila naman tigkuan.
Oh, ako ang kanang.
Oh. Ikaw ang kuan, tigtaga sa CCTV. Kung maayo na ng CCTV.
You know, you. Oh my god. Third patient one. No one take my job.
Sharon! Joke lang.
What? I used to have a gun, but I do not have Robux.
Luri coffee!
Coffee?
Nah.
The doctor's arriving already.
Luri, I know that.
Hello, Dr.
No, I don't want new. I want old. Dr. Harlow.
Dr. Julio. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow.
I'm Dr. here.
Some advice. I think things get strange. Just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you.
No.
You don't want to see. How much money do I get? How much money will I get? How much money will I get? How much money will I get? Oh my god,
Ratiu!
It's a tiger show. Oh,
Luloy!
You are rat.
Alam mo ba?
Is your name Matthew?
Luloy! Is this labunon?
Oh my God, hello.
Luna, is this labunon?
Eh.
Yeah? Okay.
Hello, my name is Haki Bando. Let me see your hmm, looks the same. I don't know. Thanks. I will be in room 2. Oh my Jesus Christ. Is the doctor arriving? Oh. Is the doctor arriving again? Is it or is it Ratro? No, so there's another one. The doctor is arriving. Finally, Ratio is coming now. Oh, Dr. Harlow? Harlow! Dr. Harlow!
Dr. Harlow is a monster.
Nothing I could buy. It's a monster.
Nah, you cannot do that.
It's a monster.
Luli, hapit mo na yung muna unlock ang one bitaw. Sa katong kuryente, katong taser. Luli, hapit na ni muna unlock ang taser. Because it's shift.
Oh my God, I need a fire. I need a fire. Hello. Where's everyone here? Why is everyone here? Bro, chill down. Oh my God, just come here. He has painted. God. I need coffee lagi. I need coffee. Is another. I need some coffee, please. Hey. Coffee, I want some coffee, want some coffee. Sleeping, ano yung hospital, like quiet. But samyasan ya.